Hello Math learners! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math Beach. This is 2020 Mtap Reviewer DepEd Math Challenge Elimination Round, Grade 4. So ito ang part 1, kaya paki-abangan mo ang part 2, 3, and so on. These are only the selected problems from the said reviewer. Problem number 1, 620 is 78 less than what number? Kagaya na makikita natin sa solution, ang una nating gagawin is gagawa muna tayo ng mathematical expression. So kapag sinabing is equals yun. So again, isusulat natin 620 equals, be careful tayo dito sa 78 less than what number. Hindi 78 minus, kundi baliktad. Working backwards tayo guys, no? Pag nakakita kayo ng ganyan, papalitan lang yung number na 78. Pero ganyan pa rin, 78 less than what number? Pabaliktad siya. So, x minus 78. Next is, isi-simplify natin siya. So, yung negative 78, ililipat natin sa kabila. Kaya 620 plus 78 equals x. So, the final answer is 698. Ito yung number na kapag minusan mo ng 78, 620. Ganun lang guys, ang ginawa natin, gumawa tayo ng mathematical expression. And then after that, we simplify that mathematical expression.
So the final answer is 698. Next problem please. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. What number is added to 789 to get 987?
Simply put, magsa-subtract lang tayo guys. 987 minus 789. Para magawa natin ang subtraction process, kailangan nating mag-borrow. Bakit? Kasi kung papansinin nyo yung ating ones digit, 7 minus 9, hindi pwedeng masubtract. Kaya magbaborrow tayo sa 8. Kaya yung 8 magiging 7, yung 7 magiging 17. Dito tayo ngayon sa tens na digit, place value. So, 7 minus 8 hindi ulit masasubtract, kaya magbaborrow ka ulit sa kabila. So, yung sa tens tayo tens na place value. Kaya yung 7 magiging 17 at yung 9 nagborrow tayo ng isa kaya magiging 8. So, i-minus na natin 17 minus 9 is 8, 17 minus 8 is 9, 8 minus 7 is 1. So, the final answer is 198. Problem number 3. What is the difference between 5 hundreds and 12 tens? Step 1 natin, aalamin muna natin ano yung 5 hundreds and 12 tens. 5 hundreds, ibig sabihin, 5 times 100 equals 500. 12 tens is equivalent to 12 times 10 equals 120. Step 2, sabi dun sa problem, what is the difference? Ibig sabihin, ma-minus natin silang dalawa. 500 minus 120 is equivalent to 380. Again, gumawa tayo ng borrowing process para ma-subtract ito. Problem number 4. What must be added to 6 over 7 to get a sum of 2? Again guys, magagawa ulit tayo ng mathematical expression dito. What must be added to 6 over 7? Ibig sabihin nun, ano yung i-add sa 6 over 7? So, pwedeng x plus 6 over 7 or baliktad. 6 over 7 plus x. Tapos, to get a sum of 2. So, yung sum daw niya is 2. So, equals 2. So, x plus 6 over 7 equals 2. Ang 6 over 7, ililipat natin sa kabila. Maging x equals 2 minus. Ito yung positive magiging minus. Minus 6 over 7. So, para ma-subtract ito dito sa kanan, yung right side of the equation, x equals 14 minus 6 over 7. Nagawa natin guys na 7 kasi meron tayong shortcut dyan. 7 times 2. Yung denominator ng 7, i-multiply natin sa whole number na 2 para magkaroon sila ng same denominator. So, 14 minus 6 over 7 equals 8 over 7. Pwedeng 8 over 7 ang sagot or 1 and 1 over 7 kasi kinonvert natin into mixed number. So again, meron tayong video guys tungkol dyan paano tayo mag-convert ng improper fraction into mixed number. Pakicheck na lang ang video sa ating description box below. Dito tayo guys sa number 5, last but not the least. What is the largest number that can exactly divide 16, 24, and 40? So, meron tayong video tungkol dyan sa GCF. Kasi sabi dito is largest number that can exactly divide is another way of saying what is the GCF or greatest common factor of 16, 24, and 40. So meron tayong full video tungkol dyan sa prime factorization, GCF, LCM, LCD. I will give the link on the description box below. Pakicheck ang video na to mamaya. Okay, patapusin mo muna tong video na to. So, prime factorization, ang factors ng 16 ay 2, 2, 2, and 2. 24 naman, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Pero ang GCF nila, ang common lang sa kanila ay tatlong 2. Kaya GCF equals 2 times 2 times 2. GCF equals 8. That is the final answer. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. Paki-abangan mo ang part 2, 3, and so on ng video series natin tungkol sa 2020 Mtap Reviewer Grade 4 Elimination Round. Kung meron kang mga katanungan, please comment down below. At kung meron kang gusto na Mtap Reviewer or math topics na mas nahirapan ka, paki-comment na lang sa ibaba. Malay mo, yan yung gawin nating topics sa ating mga future and exciting na uploads. Kaya laging tandaan ang ating outro message, every problem, there is and there's always has a solution. So love lots, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye!